this video, I'm just going to show very quickly how to charge up your laser if the battery is running low, and you can use it while it's low. There's only one place it fits into, and that's that middle one. So you can't get it wrong, really. This part of the charger, it's got two ends. One goes in the wall, one goes into the laser. So it just goes right into that spot there. Again, make sure it's nice and snug. And then the other one goes into the wall. So it's connected now into the wall. This is into the laser. I just want to point out that this part that goes into the wall, it's two pieces. So sometimes when you buy them, it's become disassembled. So the part that goes into the wall is the other part of this cord. And here's the other end of it. I don't know why it does it like that. That goes into here. So once it's plugged in at the base and the other part is plugged into the wall, you just put the center, and you can see when you press there it says battery charging, and this has got 4, so that's perfect. It doesn't need any more than that. I'm just using this as a demo. So that's all there is to it. And it takes about less than 30 minutes for a full charge. So that's how to charge your Scalarwave laser.